It's the late night freestyle session, the love session. We just writing poetry, talking about each other. I know you're my favorite lover. I know I'm gonna give it to you like no other. Baby, you're my favorite lover. So I think about you all night. I write about you all day. Shorty, I want you my way. I want you my way. If I can't have you my way, it's the highway. Baby, it's the highway. I know we gon' sing. I know you want me to put that ring up on your finger, but not right now. Right now I just wanna be the #1 singer. So I'm on the road. Oh well, I'm making money. Baby girl, no it ain't funny. I know you still wanna be my honey. You wanna shine next to me looking oh so lovely. Oh yeah, I know you miss my kisses. I know you wanna be my missus. But if I get a better wife, you probably gon' be my mistress. Oh yeah, forget about the distress. You still my princess, yeah. And I still hold your interest.